Hello, everybody! We are heading to the ocean today. This time, we will visit Montara State Beach 8 miles north of Half Moon Bay. Those who travel on Highway 1 along the central coast of California can catch a glimpse of this long and wide beach. But of course, it's much better to get a closer look. The parking space is limited. There are a few official lots. However, during the busy days, people park along the highway, and there are places where cars can be parked facing the coast instead of parallel parking. Despite those areas do not really look like designated parking spots. One thing to remember, there are no restrooms nearby. Okay, let's not waste our time and sink our feet into the sand. Montara Beach is quite spacious and picturesque. It has tons of pristine yellow sand and rolling waves. There's a short trail leading from the parking lot that brings visitors to the cliff that overlooks the beach, offering gorgeous views. You can watch ships and fishing boats passing, and, on a clear day, you might even spot Farallone Islands. A variety of coastal wildflowers grow on the sandstone bluffs above the Montara Beach. The trail we took led us to the steep staircase that ended several feet above the ground, and we did some climbing using a rope. It can be quite challenging, but there are other easier ways to reach the beach. The weather was beautiful. The beach is 1 mile long, and the best thing you can do is to bring a beach blanket, relax, walk along the shore, and have fun. The beach has a little secret though. The sand near the waves, which is called swash zone, is inhabited by cute little creatures called mole crabs. They are crustaceans that dig through the sand and feed by filtering plankton. The crabs have 10 fast legs and disappear in the wet sand in a blink of an eye, making them really hard to catch on camera. There are numerous at this place, as you can see. Just imagine thousands of these mole crabs hiding in the sand and slowly migrating following the tide. And we're basically walking on them. Wow! You can easily spot their dry exoskeletons left after they shed it as part of the growth cycle, or, sadly, after a shorebird ate a mole crab. The crabs are also known under the names of sand crabs, sea cicadas, or emerita. The colors of the waves are vivid here at Montara Beach, but the water gets deep very fast, and rip currents are also present. So be careful if you decide to swim and boogie board there. The sand, by the way, comes from granite rocks of nearby Montara Mountain, also known as McNee Ranch. It is part of the Santa Cruz Mountains. The first Europeans who saw the beach were probably the members of the Spanish Portola expedition known to camp at nearby Martini Creek in 1769. The Spanish word Montara means to ride, like on horse. Come here on a weekend afternoon to relax, breathe the fresh air, build a sandcastle with kids, or walk with your dog. Watch the migrating whales from the bluff if it's the right season. Many thanks for watching. Please subscribe and good luck in your travels.